Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a review and a full day wear test on the brand new Fit Me Tinted Moisturizer by Maybelline. I will also be testing out the Matte and Poreless Mattifying Primer. These are just brand new to Ulta. I don't know if Walmart or Target carries them already. I've been on the hunt for these and I have not been able to find them. So if you do find them, let us know in the comment section just to help everybody out. But this is a product that I feel like is super trending right now. Tinted moisturizers, BB creams, CC creams, all that stuff is super hot right now. So I'm really excited to share my thoughts with you guys. I have been trying this specific product for I think 2 days. Today would be the third day. So I'm going to share along the video my personal opinion and my thoughts on what I think about this product. But I want to do a full day wear test just so you guys can see how it looks on my skin. So I don't want to ramble on too much into the intro. You already know, if you're not subscribed, and make sure you subscribe to my channel because we do tons of reviews, tutorials, drugstore, high-end, and a little bit of everything. And of course, grab your cafecito. I've already drank my coffee because it's actually 12 o'clock. So cheers if you're drinking coffee, cheers if you're drinking water, whatever it is. And yeah, let's go ahead and jump into today's video. Jumping into the Maybelline Fit Me Tinted Moisturizer. So this claims to be for all skin types. It has 76% natural origin ingredients. They offer 14 different shades. It retails for $9.99 at Ulta. Now the details on this, it says that it's lightweight, fresh feel formula that evens skin tone and conceals imperfections for naturally perfected skin. And let me give you a little bit of information on the Matte and Poreless Mattifying Face Primer. This one contains a broad spectrum SPF of 20. It claims to be mattifying and it has a up to 16-hour wear that keeps your face shine free, minimizes the appearance of pores for a flawless blurred look, it enhances the look of makeup and extends makeup wear. So those are some pretty bold claims, Maybelline. Let's see if they are up for it. I'm first going to take the primer. I'm going to go ahead and press that onto the skin. I do have to say that this does have a very SPF scent, but I like that it doesn't go on as a white cast. To me, it feels a little bit heavy. For me that I'm oily, it's a little heavy feeling, but I appreciate that it has the broad spectrum because I am so bad at using SPF. I've gotten better, but I'm definitely not the best at applying SPF on my skin every day. As I'm touching the skin, it does feel a little bit tacky, but it does go away. So I'm going to grab a little bit more. Now the skin is nice and mattified. I like to let it sit for just a few minutes. That way the skin can just look at its best. Let's move on to the Tinted Moisturizer. The shade that I picked up is 310. I was afraid that this was going to be a little too dark, but again, because it has that skin adjusting thing, I figured, you know what, we're going to give it a try. So I like to apply mine with a brush, but I'm also going to try it with a sponge to see which one looks best. I have been only applying it with a brush, so I guess we're both going to try it together. So this one claims to be a pretty sheer coverage, and honestly, I have to say that this is like a light to buildable medium coverage. I think it's enough to cover like very small imperfections, if you will. If you have a lot of acne, a lot of discoloration or rosacea, if it's very highly pigmented, you might want to go in with a few layers or maybe even spot conceal. But if you have just a little bit of redness, I think overall you're really going to like this tinted moisturizer. As you can see, it gives you a really nice luminosity to the skin, which tons of tinted moisturizers do that, and that is why I have to use a mattifying primer underneath, because otherwise I will get extremely oily throughout the day. And as you can see, it absorbs into the skin super nicely. It blends in really quick. I don't have any issues with it sitting on top of the skin. I feel like it just blends one with the skin. So this is one side with nothing on. I'm just going to blend this one in. And then here we have the coverage side. So I think it's perfect for me. I'm going to take some more on this side. And then for my sponge, I'm going to use this one that's a microfiber sponge because tinted moisturizers have tons of water. I feel like a regular sponge tends to absorb it all and leave very little on the skin. So a microfiber sponge will work best. Okay, tinted moisturizer is all blended in. I feel like you can definitely go back and just reapply it to the areas that you feel need some extra TLC. Like for me, I would go back maybe here and maybe over here. But the point of a tinted moisturizer is for it to look like you're wearing nothing, like your skin, but better. Like I mentioned in the beginning of the video, I have been testing this out for about 3 days now, and I do have a few thoughts. First thing, this primer unfortunately does not keep me mattified all day. I did test it though when I was like out in the heat, humid. So I don't know, I guess I can give it the benefit of the doubt, but it just did not stay on my skin. I got super oily and it made my pores just look humongous. The moisturizer does stay on the skin really nicely. I feel like it wears down really nice. I wouldn't say that this is long wearing at all though, but again, keep in mind that I was out in the super hot, humid weather. So today I don't have any plans to go out anywhere. So we're gonna see if maybe this works better indoors versus outdoors. I'm gonna come back and show you how it layers with additional products, and then I can go on about my day, come back and show you how it looks at the end of the day. So I'll be back in just 1 second. I am back. I did a full face. I really wasn't planning on wearing like a full beast, but I don't really wear makeup throughout the week, so I just really wanted to play with some makeup today. I'm going to give you a quick little rundown on what I am wearing on the face. So for my bronzer, I am wearing the Carly Bible and Il Maquillage bronzer. I'm also wearing a little bit of the blush. Ooh. Oh, I was almost choking. I'm actually going to take a little bit of the highlighter because I didn't use any. And I will give you a close-up on the skin in just 1 sec. Oh my gosh. Let me drink some water. Hold, please. For my lips, I am wearing the Dose of Colors Sand Liquid Lipstick. I added a little bit of the Huda Beauty Staycation in the center just to give it a little bit more creaminess. And I used my KKW #2 lip liner. For, excuse me, my lashes, I am using these new by, what are these? I think these are Kiss. Yep, Kiss. These are the new Lash Drip Spiky X Boosted Volume. These are like the wet looking lashes. These are called You Do You. On the eyes, I am wearing the Lily Croaks by Metamorphosis palette. This one is really pretty. I had not tried it. I'm using Mr. Toad in the crease, and then I blend it out with a little bit of Blossom. And then for the green, I am using the shade Verde, which is a really pretty lime green. I really like this palette. In the waterline, I'm using the LA Girl Gel Eyeliner in the shade Magic Mint. Oh my gosh, I cannot speak today. For my setting powder, I'm using the Hailey's Beauty Setting Powder. For my concealer, I'm using the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer in the shade Light Beige. And I think that pretty much does it. And I am wearing a gel eyeliner from Carter Beauty, which is one of my favorite gel eyeliners. And then I just set the skin really quickly with the Professional Super Setter. I really like this one, and it's one that I've been using a lot. So that is what's on the face. So let's do a close-up before I go on about my day. So as you can see, the skin is looking pretty nice. It still looks very dewy. You can still see like the redness from the pimples like peeking through, but nothing too crazy. The pores still look pretty large. I feel like that primer really doesn't do anything for my pores. This is how it looks. All right, I will be back in about 7 hours. I think that's pretty fair. It is 1:45, so it is a little bit later in the day, but that's okay. The hours don't matter. I will be back in about 7, 6, 8 hours. All right, you guys, we are back. And by we, I mean me and Lincoln. He just finished taking a bath, and now he's playing with some makeup. Look at how big he is. I don't think I've shown him in a while. He's officially 9 months. He is crawling. He is standing and he's everywhere. Huh. Yeah. Okay, so we are doing the end of day check-in. All right, so first things first, I am definitely very oily. You can even see from far away. I am very oily right here, and that's totally to be expected because again, I am such an oily person. So this for me would just not work being outside. The primer for me is just a no. I don't like it. It really doesn't do anything for my pores, doesn't really mattify the skin. So for me, the primer is a pass. Unless you're not as oily as me and you can control the oil a little bit more, then I think it might be something that you might want to look into if you don't suffer from large pores, but it's just a no-go for me. Now, as far as the tinted moisturizer, I love this stuff. Even though it doesn't like give you full coverage, I think for an everyday makeup look, if you just want to look put together, if you want your skin to look like your skin but so much better, hydrated and pretty long wearing. I mean, other than me being oily, honestly, like as I was saying, besides like the oiliness right here, I think overall the foundation is still looking pretty good. Like if you don't look at this, the foundation still looks good. It did rub off here a little bit, but that was on me. I accidentally swiped my face. So yeah, I think those are my thoughts, you guys. I think this tinted moisturizer, I personally really like it. Let me know what your thoughts are on the new Maybelline tinted moisturizer, Fit Me tinted moisturizer, and the primer if you guys are going to be picking these up. Yeah, share your thoughts in the comment section down below. Thank you guys so much for being here. Thank you guys so much for sticking around. Definitely subscribe and turn on your bell notification because I have so much content coming up the next few weeks. I'm just on it. I'm feeling motivated again, and I just want to say thank you for sticking by me through thick and thin, through the good, through the bad, all of it. You guys are awesome. I love you and appreciate every single one of you. I hope you guys are having a great night, great day, great morning, wherever you are. And yeah, until next time, I will see you guys in my next video.